Learn to read Short Vowel Adventure. To read short vowels, we make a quick, clipped sound. Think of A as in apple, E as in egg, I as in igloo, O as in octopus, and U as in umbrella. In these bigger words, look for the vowel tucked between friends. Adventures with short A. Meet Fast the Last Cat. He likes to bash into a dash to find his mask. To read these, blend the first two sounds, add the short ah sound, and finish with the end. The hand held a lamp near the sand. It was a fact that the camp was fun. Watch how the vowel stays short even when two consonants follow it at the end. Can you gasp at the task? Put the damp pant on the raft. Hear the ah sound in every word. Keep your breath short and quick as you say them out loud. Exploring short E, the best tent was left on the step by the desk. Short A sounds like you are starting to say egg. Keep your tongue in the middle of your mouth. Help the elf find the belt. He will melt the weld on the held door. These words have 4 letters, but the A sound is still the star of the show. We selt the west vest to the next Kent. It is important to snap the A sound quickly, so it doesn't turn into a long E sound. You are doing great. Discovering short I. The milk is on the silk list. Do not lisp or sift the flour. The short IH sound is like a little giggle. Blend the letters gently together. I will fill the gift with a mint lint. Notice how the IH sound stays the same even when the words end in different ways. Practice makes perfect. Did you wink at the pink sink? It is a hint to knit the scarf. Short IH words are everywhere. Keep looking for that one little I in the middle. Onward to short O. The frog sat on a pond in the soft moss by the rock. Short O sounds like ah when you open your mouth wide for the doctor. Try it now. I lost the cost of the doll on the golf plot. These words have more than 3 letters, but the O still says its short sound. Great job reading. The stop sign is near the shop by the Pomp and Clop. Can you hear the O in the middle? It is round and open, just like the letter itself. Fun with short U. The dust on the bust was a must for the rust hunt. Short U sounds like a little grunt. Ah, it is the sound you make when you are thinking. Jump in the bunk to sunk the hunk of junk in the dunk. Even with 4 or 5 letters, that sound stays short and powerful. The slug gave a snug hug to the plug in the mug. You are a reading superstar. The short U is easy to find when you listen for the sound. Mixing them all. Let's spin the flag on the drum near the pond step. Look at you. You are reading words with all the short vowels. Each one has its own special sound. Can you skip to the plum tree? Wait, plum has a short U, but tree is long. Stick to West Hand and List for more short vowel practice. We found a test in the mist on the mast of the Hulk ship. You are blending sounds like a pro. Short vowels are the keys to unlocking big words. Reading short vowel words that aren't just CVC is all about blending. Look for the single vowel, say its short sound, and slide it between the consonants. You have mastered the short A, E, I, O, and U sounds today. If you like this story, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, Kids Love Nature.